everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. They are Dig Up Dinosaur Eggs. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so to start out, these are all the different dinosaurs that you can actually receive in here. I believe that it does come with 12. It says Dinosaur Excavation Kit with 12 unique dinosaurs. So these are the 12 dinosaurs that you're actually going to get. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So you have your little tools that are for taking the outer part off. You have these little cards that will tell you all of the different dinosaurs that you're going to get and a little bit about them. So it'll tell you a little bit what each dinosaur is, and then it has its name and everything, and just gives you a little information on them, which is really nice. And then you lift this up, and then there are all your eggs. But let's go ahead and see my kids play with these. Okay, so they all got 3 eggs apiece. Where did Juliet go?
Can I do my... Morgan was rubbing her nails all over my face. Now she can see what I got. How do you get these melted?
Okay.
How do I open this?
So
you take out the plastic.
Brush it?
I'm trying.
So you brush
No,
it
you do use the other end too.
Oh yeah, oh summer look.
No, the other end.
Open it.
So let me see. Have you got one out yet?
No, I can't tell.
You can see its tail.
Already that much out of my second.
I don't know if I have the head out.
You have the head out?
I'm on my last one.
She's on her last one. Is it fun? You guys enjoying it? Shh. You guys enjoying it?
You can use this for chalk on the cement too.
Why should look at the stink bug?
Where's stink bug?
He just ran away.
What do you guys tell everyone?
Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. God bless.